Hello friends, today onwards we will see Antd related series of videos with the React. Antd is one of the popular React UI library used by so many developers and companies. In this video we will discuss starting from Antd introduction, later project setup with Antd. What is Antd? I already said Antd is one of the most popular React UI library. Initially it is created by Alibaba. Later, it is converted to the open source project under the MID license. Currently, it is in open source project. It is maintained by developer community. It has a huge developer community, and so many developers are using and also contributing in this project. If you see what are the features in Ant Design, they has rich component library. Means everything from buttons to forms, tables, charts, and also accordions, a list, pop-ups, all models. Everything will be available in Antd. Day to day, whatever we use in projects, those components all are available in Ant Design library. And next one, responsive design. It will work same as desktop, tablets, and mobile. We no need to worry about responsiveness. It already handled by anti-design library and also developer friendly. Anti-design have excellent APIs and good documentation. By seeing documentation and using APIs, we can able to understand the components, and also it supports TypeScript customization. Anti-design have customization like if you want to change the theme colors or changing colors or font size, we can easily change whatever we want. Customization is there in anti-design library, and anti-design supports multiple languages. Why should we use anti-design? It will be time saving. Means it already have pre-built components. We are no need to worry about writing from scratch. We can use already built-in components, and we only focus on logic parts, not on the UI and professional look. The design components will be good. So UI also very neat and clean. Scalability. This Ant Design library useful for from small projects to large projects and mainly active community. They has large community. So in community they are day by day developing new features and fixing bugs. It is very active. Next we will see what are the components in Ant Design. Components in Ant Design: button, float button, icon, typography, divider, grid, flex, layout, space, splitter. In navigation, anchor, breadcrumb, drop downs, menus, pagination, steps, autocomplete, cascader, checkbox, color picker, date picker, form, input, radio buttons, slider, switch, time picker, transfer, pre-select, upload, avatar, badge, calendar, card, carousel, collapse, description, empty, image, list, popover, QR code, statistics, tag, timeline, tooltip, tour, feedbacks like alerts, pop-ups, progress bars, and others like tables. These all are have like so many components. In left side sidebar is there. It is a list of components. With the API, we can pass props to the button. button, primary button, default, danger button, outline, loading buttons, search, disable buttons. All are there. See detail in depth in further videos. Now we can do project setup. Antd npm package. If you see published 2 days ago, means it is very active. Weekly downloads. It is very huge. Currently have version 5, 5.22.4. I already created the React sample project like npx create React app Antd practice. Like that I already created. Now I am installing Antd package npm install Antd. Package is installed. App.js. I am running the project npm start. Hello Antd. So we already installed the package. We can simply import. I am importing button for sample. Import button from Antd. We can use button like this. This is the Antd button. Further videos we can see in detail all components. Thank you so much.